Here in Becker.
I wouldn't say that. Oh.
I brought my kit. Survival kit.
Check this out. What's that? Brewer's Cave.
That's where we're going. To the cave where they brewed it. Come.
Oh, that's dangerous. Don't do that.
Okay, let's go there.
Here's a piece of a shovel. Well, here's two pieces of a shovel. Just not together.
They're divorced.
Things you say.
This is the raft I came in.
Granite! Look! There's granite everywhere!
This is the granite that I built as well.
How do you build granite? I think you dig granite up.
You become God and you make it happen.
This is a river?
This is the river of dreams and wonderment.
What?
When you ride it, dreams come true.
Let's keep on
Come
going.
with me.
I'm not dressed for this.
Now it's muddy.
Now it's muddy. Didn't know if there was mud.
Over here we have wildlife.
Gross.
As they happen.
You're talking about the kids being accidents?
I suppose so.
Right? No? Aren't they all? Aren't we all? Accidents.
Oh, there's some deep ones down here, guys.
Some deep what?
Mud.
This, later tonight, we're going to set this aflame. And then a giant is going to come, and it's like a giant's bonfire.
This is the inspiration for the Blair Witch Project, based on my life. Come. These kids think they can summon wild horses.
Okay, let's keep going.
Let's make a wish.
Wishbone.
Ready? And go. Ready? It's gonna be hard.
Well,
Ready?
you have to, yeah, okay.
1, 2, 3.
I win!
Her wish will come
I
true.
lose too. Oh. Does anybody else feel like they're sinking? Okay. I love it here in Becker. It was fun.
If I had a flag, this would be my land.
All you need is a flag for land.
Yep.
Come together.
Hi, young person.
Hey!
This is my land.
Oh, I'm
Nature.
sorry.
Let's talk about nature. Nature.
Nature. 4 seasons of nature.
Oh.
We are going through 2. We were at the end of winter, heading into spring. I would like to call nature bipolar, because
Opposite poles.
attract.
So thanks for joining us
Brute force.
in nature.
Kinda.
Kinda.